What's up guys, welcome back to another reaction video. We're taking a look at YouTube this time, going through some of the shorts over there and seeing what's going on the Forex side of things. Let's jump in. Hey, what's up Karen? This is Karen Fu. Go check her out. She's got some awesome content. I really like her stuff. When you realize the game changers for your trading. Fundamentals. I'm with you on that one, Karen. Actually calculating your risk exposure properly. Yes. If you're not using like a risk calculator online, there's like free ones available and some paid ones if you prefer. But calculating the right lot size, whew, that is so important. Having a strong trading psychology and money mindset. Facts. Good stuff, Karen. We'd love to see it. Hey, she's back. What's up, Karen? Good to see you again. Trading without a plan. These are mistakes traders can make. Over trading due to boredom. Totally. Also, she's got a cool setup. Not using a stop loss. Ignoring the risk exposure and trading currency pairs that I don't trade, I think is what it said. I didn't read it fast enough.
What would you rate your Riz on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oof, it's horrible.
I'll give you $5.
Yeah, okay, I'll take it.
I don't think this is Forex related. Oh, this is not either.
I'm about to become your favorite player.
This is how I got ChatGPT to code a trading bot that's over 2,000% profitable. And I'm serious, these stats are insane. First I went to ChatGPT and I asked, if you had to create a trading bot, how would you do it? And it proposed...
Asking hey man, if ChatGPT had a answer for us on this one, I gotta see it. If you had to create a trading bot, how would you do it?
A training model that accounts for risk management. Then I asked it to build me this program in PineScript and I got this error. To work around this, we need to convince the algorithm to build us a trading bot. So I plugged this in and to my astonishment, it started coding it right in front of my eyes. Yep, and this code
is... That is... If that's legit, that's creepy, man.
Skynet has become self-aware.
It's writing...
for PineScript version 5, so let's go ahead and copy
it. It's writing in
PineScript. A blank script.
No way.
It all in and let's name it AI Trading Bot. Save it and hit Add to Chart. And there you have it. This looks like it caught a 12% trade over here as the markets were crashing.
Somebody's got to check.
And over here it looks like it caught a massive short. Again, this was another 13%
no way. I just wrote that code right
This can run while I'm away from my keyboard, so I don't have to.
5 things you need to trade into the Forex market.
Guys, so here's 5 things you need to trade into the Forex market. Number 1, you need to go ahead and create a TradingView account, preferably for all of your strategy back testing. Number 2, go ahead and download the MT4 app because you need somewhere to trade, okay? Number 3, go ahead and go grab that Pip Talk Planner because you need to journal all of your trades to keep accountability, okay? Number 4, go ahead and get you a broker, preferably Hingle Trade if you don't have one. And number 5, go ahead and use all different resources for the
She choreographed this whole thing and then voiced over that.
Free, go follow your girl.
Nice.
The best advice for small account traders, it's the mere concept that you're not going to make $100,000 in your first year. If you have a small account, you need to take profit if the market gives you 30 to 50 pips. Yep. You see this in the market all the time. How many times?
Well, the $100,000 a year thing is definitely true. I think the strategy, depending on your account size, is also important.
As a beginner trader, have you been up $100 and you're just like, oh, okay, it is what it is. If somebody put this on the table for you right now to take, you're like, oh, nice 100. Okay, cool. Okay, it's in my wallet. All right, I got 100. And that is one of the major issues. You guys aren't patient. Make sure you start taking profits when the market give it to you.
Oh, so here's some controversy. It depends who you ask, right? For some people, and I'm not discounting Mr. Swaggy here for his idea of like, take profits when your strategy, if your strategy tells you to take profits and that's what you've tested for, then by all means I would agree. But just because the market is up for me right now does not mean that the market can't be up more for me later, if that makes sense. I think actually to some degree I understand what he's saying, where he's like, don't get greedy, don't break your rules, is kind of the more loosely constructed thing. But the idea of like just take a profit when you see it, when it goes 30 or 50 pips in your favor, that's actually for me personally was a big mistake I used to make in my trading. I would constantly take profits too soon just to watch the market float on without me. And then years later, when I sort of developed what I trade now, which is trailing stop methods and following trends and really letting a winner run for as long as it wants to be, that actually ended up making a lot more consistent growth for me. Sure, with that, you're going to take less frequent wins. That's one downside to it. But it allowed me to capture some really great moves in the market, and has continued to be the predominant way that I trade when I trade currency pairs or stocks or indices or anything like that, right? So I think to one degree, yes, if your rules tell you to take profits, take something out of the market, if that's what you've tested for and you like in your own strategy, then by all means, yes. But I think the better way of phrasing it is not necessarily take a profit when you see it, but rather stick to your plan. Because for me, greed is not necessarily taking, ignoring a profit and being greedy for more. In fact, greed to me in my trading is often when I'm afraid to let a winner run and I just want to lock in profits and grab that money. To me, that is more greedy. Based on just my own psychology, how I personally look at the markets, I find that to be a bigger struggle. Holding on to a winner for me is harder, more discipline required than holding on to a loser, right? Naturally, a lot of us want to not take losses and just hold on to losses forever. So it's perspective, but I think to complement what he's saying, I would say, really stick to your plan that you've tested and thoroughly done beforehand. Hey, I know this guy, Trader Nick. We got to watch this one. So I remember this video. In this video, I'm pointing out the fact that okay, there's a big downtrend on this market. And what oftentimes traders will do when seeing a big downtrend like that is they're like, I'm getting a cheap value, let me buy it, right? Market seems low, time to buy. This is a very common, that's the way I know I traded, and a lot of others that I've spoken with trade similar. They want to trade that, because it seems low, it's time to buy, right? Oh, plug to the website. What's up? A1trading.com. Go check it out. We're pulling up retail sentiment where you can see what retail positioning is looking like. And you can see Euro CAD based on the chart. Most retail traders, the popular crowd, is going long, which is a red flag, because if you know that the small traders, the amateur traders, the ones that are not pros, not professional at this stuff, if they're all buying into something, it could be a red flag to actually be more short biased and go with the flow, if anything, regarding that. So yeah, something to think about, right? You don't, oftentimes a chart seems low, but it can go much, much lower. Rich Forex traders in Uganda.
I like to keep things into perspective, and I like to give
Uganda has a really cool flag. I just gotta say,
my new traders an honest outlook of this skill called Forex. And so typically you got two type of people that come and do as I like to.
Day in the life of a Forex trader. Gotta use the lotion, gotta hydrate, gotta film yourself shirtless. Gotta put on the watch. You can't be a trader without putting on the watch. Right? I can't even make fun of it. I got my Apple Watch. Got cooler shoes than me. Crappy car though. I'm just kidding. That's a beautiful car. But this is, don't you guys understand? By now, this is the core essentials to becoming a profitable trader. You have to have the watch, you have to walk around shirtless, you have to put on the baggy clothes, and you have to get in your super rich car. That's how you become profitable.
For us like vitamins, feed the beast, she a lioness. Been in a row, been in a cage, limited living for weeks. Look at us feeling alive, look at us feeling at ease, and it's really a vibe. Tending it, sending it wide. She like a gym with the lime. I'm in with.
There it is. Did you guys learn something?
Guys, I'm gonna be explaining these why I'm still holding this trade in life.
Holy crap! Look at how many buy trades this guy's got. That is so many buy trades.
Upcoming live session. Make sure you book a spot real quick. I'm holding all of these trades, and I intend on flipping this account to $1,000. I'm already there. Yeah, I'm there at $1,000 mark, $1,173 from $47.
This man is.
Guys, I'm gonna be explaining
more
these.
The whole screen is just filled with buy trades.
Holding this trade in live.
Karen, if you guys aren't following Karen, see how mine says subscribed already? It's because she is the truth. Go follow Karen. She keeps showing up in my feed because her and I. If you try and chase flipping accounts, you're gonna blow up. You'll probably blow an account or two before you finally learn your lesson. This is the truth, man. I can't tell you how many people have DM'd me like, I've been trying to flip accounts for years and I just am more broke than ever. And it's like, had you just gone the route of trying to go slow and steady years ago, you would have been way better off. Look at her little computer. That's so cool. It's facts. It's facts. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you got something out of these videos. I enjoy doing them, just scrolling around on social media with you guys on the Forex side of things and seeing what's going on. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you back next time. Catch you later.